Hi, this is the CUBOT quest and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and then tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and just here we should enter the password. After that, just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click here to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. After that, you'll see here all the same networks, and just by the same way you should enter the password and connect to the network. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.